Hi everyone and welcome back to HomeHeadChef. Today we're going to be making an artichoke mushroom asiago flatbread. Now this is a great flatbread to make for an appetizer if you're having a dinner party, or a personal little flatbread for yourself for dinner or lunch. We're going to be using our homemade flatbread, which I have a recipe for. I'll drop a link in the description. And the sauce is going to be our creamy white garlic sauce, which I'll also drop a link for that down in the description. Now let's step up to the cutting board and see what we need. For this recipe we're going to need a flatbread of your choice. I'm using my homemade. Our creamy white garlic sauce, some sliced portobello mushrooms, some quartered artichoke hearts, and some asiago cheese. Now the amount of ingredients are going to vary depending on how big your flatbread is. All we're going to do is assemble this. We're going to put down a thin layer of our creamy white garlic sauce, and then we're going to start topping it with everything else. Now as you're assembling this, you're going to want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. We're going to just lay a nice healthy amount of the ingredients on top. And finish off with a nice little sprinkle of our asiago cheese. We're gonna bake this for 5 to 7 minutes or until the cheese is nice and bubbly. And there she is, she's all done. Now let's cut this thing and get a bite. This smells so good, I wish you could smell it. Now let's get a bite of this. So good. The flatbread is nice and crispy. Get a nice little pungent kick from the asiago cheese, the earthiness from the mushrooms and the artichoke. The sauce just brings it all together. It's a perfect marriage. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If so, hit that thumbs up button. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. I'll drop a link in the description for my outdoor channel if you're interested in that. Thanks for stopping in. We'll see you next time.